So right now we're just gonna compare the typing experience between my Lofree Flow 2 and my previous keyboard, which was the Logitech MX. And I got these with the blue switches. Honestly, I was like new to keyboards at the time, and I heard the sound of keyboards of this keyboard like on a YouTube short or like video, and like I thought it was nice. I like the noise, so then I bought it off of Amazon. Was it worth it for the price? I don't know. It was quite expensive. And the fact that it's like plastic, made out of plastic, it's like, not as good. I mean, it's okay. But here we have the Lofree Flow 2. I paid for VIP access for this keyboard, so I did get it for significantly cheaper. But it sounds a lot better, feels nicer, and it's fully aluminum. This time I went for linear switches. I don't know. I think the linears are more for me because I like how you don't have to put much pressure. Just very nice and smooth. But overall, it's pretty nice. This button on the side here, I find when I'm moving my keyboard though, it does get like interfere with that, you know? But overall, pretty nice so far.